Sir, is everything okay?
Nah, Oos, where my bacon at?
Oh, I'm so sorry. We can get...
Nah! What you trying to do, Oos?
I'm sorry, what?
Oh, he must be deaf. Oh, he must be stupid. I said, what you trying to do, Oos?
Man, ain't even that serious, Oos.
Jay Uso from TikTok, I found Twitter. Oh my god, you did. I got to get you, Oos, for this.
I'ma fill him with holes like a waffle.
You ain't never shot a gun a day in your life, Oos.
Well, I'ma start today with him, Oos.
Sir, I'm so
Sir, I'm so sorry. Jay is not acting very Oosy today.
Sir, you alright? Sir?
He fucking disintegrated. So, what do you want to talk about? Show me the best heel in the business. The other best heel in the business. Perfect. Romo, who is this guy? Is he from Ant-Man or something or some shit? I forgot. So is that guy from Ant-Man or some shit? You clear Mo? This has been an awkward... I'm so sorry for the awkward silence, Jay from TikTok knows. What you trying to do?
It was an accident, I didn't...
Nah, cause you stepped on my shoe, you must want to step.
Hey, chill out, Oos.
No,
Oos, I'm not gonna chill.
Disrespecting me, he
Disrespecting you. You're disrespecting blood.
You disrespecting blood. If you disrespecting blood,
Your blood's got to spill,
Oos.
Jay, calm down.
Hey, you stay out of it.
Stay out of it, Samir.
He said he doesn't like you acting like
I don't give a damn what the tribal chief say.
Wise man, yes, my tribal chief. I felt a disturbance in the cup stacking universe. Yo, Seth, your web Ashante, holla at me. So, what are we doing now? Don't worry about it, bro. I gotcha. D-Generation X is a proud sponsor of the ad. You watching the ad. Oh, wait, we were watching the ad? I don't know, bro. The Cueva Shante, what do we do now? Don't worry about it, bro. Nose! What you trying to do? What you trying to do, Oos? Bro, this is a test. Please ignore. This is a test. I win. And I survived the Cueva Shante and lived. Freaking miss. And now it only hurts when you touch it. Don't touch. Do I have to follow you all day? I sense disturbance in the cup stacking universe. Hey, Seth, do you mind if I, come with me? I saw Twitter. You did? Yeah. Ah! I don't want to go home yet.
I know. We're going to Dad's.
Oh, I see. AA.
Here.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah? Yeah?
What do you need, Mom?
Seriously? I just got scared. You scared the heebie-jeebies out of me. TikTok, Jay Uso. I got some bad news. Do you want the bad news first or the bad news? Is that John Cena? Wait, is that John Cena? Is that John? That he looks so recognizable AF. Bruh. Ain't no way that's John Cena and Vacation Friends, the two. I don't know what Vacation Friends is. At least I got some bad news. What you trying to do there, News?